Sciences have done it yet again. Yet another time to have prepared the intellectual capital of our nation. Good afternoon, everyone. I take this opportunity to welcome each one present here today to be a witness to this resplendent and magnificent event. Chief guest of the event, His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. A. Sebastian Durairaj, Archbishop of Bhopal, and also the Chairman of BSSS, Most Reverend Dr. Father John P.J., Principal BSSS, Dr. Sister Sonia Kurian, Vice Principal BSSS, Reverend Father Johnny Panikas, Dean BSSS, Professor Vinay Mishra, dear awardees, respected parents, teachers, and dear students. On behalf of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, I welcome you all to the Professional Certificate Award Ceremony 2024. Dear assemblage, thank you for being here and giving a reason to these awardees to smile and celebrate their achievement as postgraduates. We have gathered here today to celebrate a momentous occasion, one that we believe is a part of a divine plan indeed. Professional Certificate Award Ceremony is not just a ceremonial event. It signifies the culmination of years of hard work, teamwork, and personal growth. It marks the transition of our postgraduates from academic life into the world beyond these walls, a journey full of new challenges and opportunities perhaps. It is a day filled with mixed emotions. I'm sure all of you are experiencing it. Pride for your accomplishments, nostalgia for the moments ahead, and also the excitement for the future. As they don their caps and gowns, our postgraduates are not only celebrating their degrees, but also the skill sets, knowledge, and experiences they have acquired at BSSS that have shaped them into who they are today. Let me remind ourselves that this celebration isn't just for the awardees. It's a tribute to the families, friends, faculty members, and mentors who have supported them throughout their journey. Your unwavering encouragement and guidance plays a crucial role in their success, and today we honor this partnership. Can we have a huge round of applause for the parents seated on my right, the teacher mentors at the back, and the college administration. It is time now to welcome His Grace Most Reverend Dr. A.S. Durairaj, who is also the Honorable Chairman of the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. As per nominative protocol, the certificates are to be conferred to the awardees by the highest authority of our institution. We are blessed that we are able to distribute the certificates from the pious hands of our esteemed Dr. Sebastian Durairaj, who is no doubt going to provide this academic document a religious and a spiritual stamping to be treasured for a lifetime. At this moment, I would like to invite Dr. Father John P.J. to extend a warm welcome to His Grace with a bouquet symbolizing our love, respect, gratitude, and appreciation for his presence today. Your Grace, we are eternally grateful for your guidance and leadership as our spiritual shepherd in this material world. Your wisdom and grace illuminate our paths, and we are honored to have you here with us today at this academic celebration of our institution. Thank you so much. May I now request the principal of our college, Reverend Dr. Father John P.J., to deliver his welcome address as his official peroration. Father, we grow each day under your tutelage and having you as our patron indeed provides strength and courage as well as unity to our BSSS family. Father.
Your Grace, Archbishop Dureraj, also the chairman of BSSS, Dr. Sister Sonia Kurian, the Vice Principal, Father Jomi Panitis, the Dean and the Financial Administrator of the college, with your parents, the graduates, members of the staff and dear students. To the graduates, congratulations. I congratulate each one of you for such a mega achievement in life. It's time to move out, but let not your graduation, I wish, interfere with your education, because it is an endless process. Ending, it is said, with your end. Graduation is among life's biggest achievement. They speak to hard work, dedication and success. For a graduate, it's a day well earned. For friends and loved ones who are present here today with us, it's a time to let someone know that their achievement is recognized and celebrated. And that's why you are here. Parents, well-wishers. Students, a bright future beckons. Now, the onus is on you. Through hard work, honesty, which is lacking today, integrity, and of course, dedication. Your talents determine what you do, and you've done it. Your motivation determines how much you are willing to do. Do not forget. And your attitude determines how well you do it. Above all, attitude. My duty of welcoming remains. Most Reverend Dr. A.A.S. Dureraj, Archbishop of Bhopal and the chairman of BSSS, your presence, your grace, adds colors to every occasion you are in this campus. Hearty welcome to this graduation ceremony. Dear parents and well-wishers, thanks for being witnesses to this graduation program today. Your presence is deeply appreciated and a very hearty welcome to BSSS. Dear graduates, never fail to dream, because the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Never fail. As the motto of the college stands, towards a better world, never fail to make our Mother Earth a better place to live in, and illumine the whole world with your presence. Once again, congratulations to you, graduates. The world is yours. Well done. The real journey begins now. God bless you. All the best. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Father. And I'm very confident that your words and their stay in this college past so many years, we have actually taught them life lessons. The next segment of the event is the conferment of certificates which shall begin now. This is indeed a much awaited event in every student's life, as it gives the returns to the efforts put in by them throughout their academic endeavor. We at BSSS value our intellectual capital and nurture it through a perfect blend of traditional as well as contemporary ways and means for the comprehensive development of the student's personality, so that every year the society at large is benefited with the well-equipped professionals who can significantly contribute to the value creation process. Today, you are going to receive not just the certificates, but a symbolic validation of your talent and skills. You will now be receiving your prize certificates. Also, the toppers of each postgraduate program shall be felicitated. May I request Most Reverend Dr. Durai Raj to congratulate our graduates by conferring them the certificates. I further request Reverend Father John P.J., Dr. Sister Sonia Kurian, Reverend Father Jomi Panathas, and Professor Vinay Mishra to facilitate the ceremony. Candidates receiving the certificates, please come forward as your name is called out. As they receive the certificates, I want to hear your clapping and cheering and letting them know how much we value them. We begin with Master of Arts in Economics for the batch of 2022-24. Leading the class is Sojanya Karnawal, the topper of her class. Sojanya Karnawal, Muskan Khan, Nitin Khaka. Muskan Khan is now receiving her certificate. नितिन खाका, तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट में कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए. नितिन खाका on stage now. रेणुका चौरे, followed by Rishika Chauhan, and last in the batch of MA Economics, Shivanshu Mishra. Rishika Chauhan is now receiving her certificate. Shivanshu Mishra. तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट इस कार्यक्रम की गरिमा और महिमा दोनों के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है, इसलिए कोई संकोच ना करें और कोई कमी ना होने दें. We begin with Master of Arts in English, announcing the name of Miss Namra Shireen Khan as the aggregate topper, MA English 2022-24. Smiles should be captured on camera. Aparna Chaube. Aparna Chaube is receiving her certificate. थोड़ा और गर्मजोशी से खुशी नायर, 22-24 batch, Nupur Bishnoi, Pankaj Shah, this was MA Political Science, followed by MA Sociology. We have Harsha Yadav as the aggregate topper. A huge round of applause. Harsha Yadav as aggregate topper MA Sociology. Followed by Anupriya Singh. Anupriya Singh on stage now receiving her certificate. Followed by Minnie Jose. Followed by Minnie Jose, who is walking the stage now. And last in MA Sociology, we have Sakshi Srivastava. Sakshi Srivastava completing her lap on stage, depicting the completion of her degree. We begin with MA Psychology, Miss Anshupriya Lakra. Miss Anshupriya Lakra, MA Psychology. Mr. Anup Varghese. तालियों की कमी कार्यक्रम की गरिमा के विरोधाभासी है। अनुष्का बार्दे, Christine Alex. May I inform the audience that many of these postgraduate degree holders, it is their 5th year completion at BSSS. Mansi Srivastava, MA Psychology. Miss Norris Fahim. तालियां रुकनी नहीं चाहिए। श्रुति चौबे। Shruti is receiving her certificate. Sushila Thapa. Sushila Thapa receiving her certificate now. Followed by Saurabh Rajat. And last but not the least, student of MA Psychology, Bara Hassan. Bara Hassan on stage now. We begin with MCom, Masters in Commerce. Miss Tanya Joshi, the aggregate topper, batch 22-24 for MCom. Followed by Aniket Lodhi. Miss Aram Siddiqui. Miss Aram Siddiqui receiving her certificate now. Ashwati R. Pillai. Ashwati R. Pillai. Mehak Soni. MCom 22-24 batch. Namrata Agarwal. Namrata Agarwal. Ritul Dixit. Ritul Dixit. Next we have Rosemary Kerketa. Rosemary Kerketa. Taking her final lap as a postgraduate. Mr. Somit Dubey. Mr. Somit Dubey. Kushyam Namdev. Kushyam Namdev. Vishal Chandwani. The graceful smiles gracing their demeanor speaks it all. We have MSc Chemistry in sequence, Ms. Shivani Shukla, aggregate topper of MSc Chemistry 2022-24 batch. MSc Computer Science, Sister Geetu Paul as the aggregate topper. टॉपर्स का स्वागत कुछ ज्यादा ही गर्मजोशी से होना चाहिए। Followed by Mr. Mayank Bhamne, MSc Computer Science. Miss Nikita Jain. Followed by Miss Swati Tiwari. That was for MSc Computer Science. Next in sequence, MSc Mathematics with Miss Shambhavi Mishra as the topper. Miss Shambhavi Mishra on stage now, receiving the trophy of being the aggregate topper. Followed by Mr. Aman Samson, MSc Mathematics. The degree itself sounds so very graceful. Aman Samson, MSc Mathematics. Next we have Julian George, MSc Mathematics. We have 10 postgraduate programs at PSSS. The last one and the most popular one indeed is Master of Social Work. Swarna Teresa as the topper of MSW 2022-24, receiving her trophy now. The smile speaks it for her. Followed by Anushka Shende. Enis R. Kujur. Enis R. Kujur on stage now. Followed by Jeffin Khatil. Followed by Joel Thomas. These students are definitely going to contribute to the society in real sense. Followed by Priyanshi Soni. Diksha Tiwari. And the last awardee for the day, Mr. Charles Wilson. A huge round of applause for him. May I request the last awardee for the day to remain on stage for the ceremonial turning of the tassel. Let me explain the significance of this symbolic ritual of the turning of the tassel. It symbolizes a significant transition, a transformation from a student to postgraduate, making the conclusion of one chapter, concluding it, and the exciting beginning of yet another. May I request His Grace to turn the tassel of the awardee on stage, and simultaneously the awardees off stage repeat the same themselves. As they turn their tassels left to right, let's cheer them on and acknowledge the bright future that lie ahead of them. This is a symbolic rite. This is the final segment. Cheer up, dear awardees. And a big congratulations to the class of postgraduates 2022-24. May I request the dignitaries to take their seats. Now is the time to perform another ritual as per Guru Shishya Vidya Parampara. Guru Dakshina is an age-old tradition being practiced in both the Occidental and the Oriental worlds. We all know about the famous Guru Shishya duos with Plato and Aristotle, Rishi Sandipani and Lord Krishna, Guru Drona and Eklavya, Arjun of course, Chanakya and Chandragupta Maurya, Ramakrishna Paramhans and Swami Vivekanand, to quote a few names with deep reverence. It is an ancient and unbroken parampara for the Gurus to bestow spiritual knowledge freely, and for the Shishya to extend Guru Dakshina to express their gratitude. This practice continues since times immemorial in order to maintain the purity and sanctity of the teachings and the Guru Shishya Parampara. Dear students, this is a token of gratitude for the knowledge you have acquired, and with the promise that you will utilize the knowledge gained for practicing truth, virtue, and righteousness. May I request Ms. Tanya Joshi, aggregate topper of MCOM, to offer Guru Dakshina to Dr. Father John PJ on behalf of all the awardees. May I request the awardees to stand at their respective places. Thank you for this heartwarming gesture, which is well reciprocated by the giver and the taker both. May I now invite Ms. Tanya Joshi, the aggregate topper of MCOM for the batch 2022-24, to deliver words of gratitude on behalf of all the awardees today.
Good afternoon, Reverend Respected Archbishop Durai Raj, Respected Principal Dr. Father John PJ, Respected Vice Principal Dr. Sister Sonia Kurian, Reverend Father Jomi Panithas, Dean Academics, Mr. Vinay Mishra Sir, dear professors, and to everyone present here. I, Tanya Joshi, stand here today to express the words of gratitude on behalf of all my fellow awardees for this wonderful institution which played a pivotal role in shaping our past, present, and future. Today, we are gathered here not just to celebrate our journey at BSSS, but to honor the institution that has been our guiding light. BSSS has been more than just a college for us. It has been our home, our sanctuary, and the foundation of countless of memories. Thank you, BSSS, for nurturing us with opportunities that helped us evolve, for giving us friendships that will last a lifetime, and for always pushing us to be our best selves. A special thank you to our respected principal, Dr. Father John PJ. Your unwavering support and motivation have been a cornerstone of our growth. You have been a pillar of strength for all of us. Father, we are grateful for your vision and leadership that have paved the way for our success. To our beloved teachers, our guiding angels, you have been more than educators for us. You have been mentors, role models, and the foundation for our success. Whether in classroom or during those personal moments when we sought guidance, you have been there with us. Thank you for believing in us and giving us the courage to stand out in the crowd. We carry your lessons with us, not just academically, but at life's guiding principle. Our heartfelt gratitude extends to our library and its faculty. You have been created an environment that was not just conducive to learning, but inspiring. The very air of the library encouraged us to delve deeper, to stay focused, and to grow intellectually. The non-teaching staff, the management, office and administration department, you are the backbone of BSSS. Your efforts, often unnoticed, have made our journey more smoother and rewarding. Thank you for your endless support and dedication. To our dear classmates and friends, your unwavering support has been invaluable. We have been fortunate to be surrounded by such kind, genuine, and trustworthy individuals. Together, we have shared struggles, triumphs, and countless of memories and moments. Thank you for being the heart of this journey. We cannot forget our family, our loved ones, whose constant support and encouragement has allowed us to achieve our dreams. To all those who have directly and indirectly contributed towards this journey, we owe you our deepest gratitude. As we stand here today, we are much stronger, more confident, and ready to take on the world. But we are also mindful with the BSSS legacy that BSSS has bestowed upon us, a legacy of excellence, service, and humanity. We promise as we move forward in life to uphold this legacy and give it back to BSSS in every way we can, whether through our achievements, our services, or our continued loyalty towards this very institution. We vow to shine brighter every day and to carry forward the values that BSSS has instilled in us. This is our Guru Dakshina to you. Your promise to always remember and honor the place that has made us who we are today. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Tanya. Your testimonial speech is our inspiration to keep striving, to keep doing, and keep moving towards creating a better world. It is with deepest humility and profound reverence that I now invite His Grace, Most Reverend Dr. Sebastian Durairaj, to grace this solemn gathering with his words of wisdom. Dr. Durairaj is not only a pillar of strength and guidance for BSSS, but also a beacon of inspiration who has touched countless lives with his compassion and insight. His teachings resonate deeply in our hearts, reminding us of the values we hold so dear. We are truly privileged to have him amidst us today, and I am confident that his reflections will enrich our spirits and guide us on our respective journey. His Grace.
Respected Principal, Dr. Father John, Vice Principal, Dr. Sister Sonia, Dean, Financial Administrator, Father Jomi, our senior professor, Mr. Vinay Mishra, all the faculty members, members of the staff, respected parents, and my dear students. It's always an honor for me to be present here on the day of convocation. प्रिंसिपल साहब फादर ने मुझे 2 तारीख दिए थे, उसमें से एक डेट फिक्स सेलेक्ट करने के लिए कहा था, तो मैंने जानबूझकर 4 अक्टूबर को सेलेक्ट किया। 4 October has become an important day to all of you, my dear graduates who have graduated today. You have received the degree, the certificate, the fruit of your hard work in your hand you are just holding. I extend my hearty congratulations as you have successfully reached another milestone. At this time, we gratefully acknowledge the hard work, support and encouragement of your parents here and there, some at home, and the principal, vice principal, all the faculty members who have assisted you all throughout your journey here at BSSS to realize your dreams. 4th October is an important day for you. As I rejoice with you, I invite you to rejoice with me, because 4th October is an important day for me personally, as I received the good news of my appointment as the Archbishop of Bhopal from Rome. That was 3 years ago. And so I pray that the Lord may also give you all very good news and good appointments. 4th October is an important day for the Archdiocese of Bhopal, as it celebrates the patron feast of Archdiocese of Bhopal, Saint Francis of Assisi, a young man who just gave up all his family, all his wealth. He was born in a very rich family, but he gave up, and today he stands as a popular saint, lived a life of simplicity, utter poverty and in humility. 800 years ago, he talked about protecting the environment. As we look at his life history, he was very fond of nature. He was close to the birds, animals, plants, mountains and all that. And today we are focusing on protecting the environment. He was a great environmentalist at that time, he taught. And he was a promoter. He was a promoter of peace. He taught us a song, "Make me a channel of your peace," that we very often sing. And so along with all your academic and professional achievement, I encourage you, all of you graduates, to be an instrument of peace and prosperity wherever you go. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, His Grace. With his speech, we remember Saint Francis, and we try to imbibe a few of the qualities which he has propagated for mankind, thus building a beautiful, better world. As we reach to the culmination of the event, may I request Reverend Father Jomi Panithas, Dean BSSS, to propose the vote of thanks as an obligatory protocol of the event. BSSS is marching ahead to explore every possible opportunity to growth under the expert academic guidance and supervision of Reverend Father Jomi. We remain grateful to you, Father, for your constant motivation to seek perfection. Father Jomi on stage.
Convocation ceremony is a significant event that celebrates the academic achievements of graduating students, and where degrees and other academic distinctions are conferred upon the students who have successfully completed their studies. And this ceremony at BSSS marked the graduating students wearing the traditional graduation attire, getting their tassels turned and crossing the stage to receive the degree in front of their institute's chairman, provost, faculty members, and family and friends in the audience. BSS's convocation is a momentous occasion for students as they embark on their professional journeys and contribute to society. It serves as a reflection of the academic excellence and the efforts put in by both the students and the institution. The auditorium resonated with enthusiastic applause as each graduate walked on the stage to receive his or her degree from the esteemed chairman, who is the chief guest for today's program, Most Reverend Dr. A.A.S. Dureraj, to whom I express my heartiest gratitude for his graceful presence and for doing the honor of bestowing the degrees to our graduates. Your Grace, every time you step into this campus, our energy soars high and we feel elated and blessed. Thank you, Your Grace. I would like to thank all of you who have been graduated from BSSS. You have been part of this college either for 2 years or 5 years. And today's ceremony marks the culmination of your educational journey at BSSS and transition into the next phase of your life. As Michael Josephson said, I quote, "Take pride in how far you have come. Have faith in how far you can go, but don't forget to enjoy the journey." I end quote. We wish that you excel in the field of your choice. The college is proud of you today, and thank you for making it to this memorable event, both for you and for the college. In any child's life, parents play a meaningful and a vital role. Dear parents, thank you for taking out your time to be part of this ceremony. It means a lot to this institute and in particular to your children. It is said that no matter how far we come, our parents are always in us. I thank each one of you for your support to your children, for giving them the strength they needed to follow their dreams in all the phases of their life and in every possible way. Today, you can be proud of them. Thank you. I extend my fraternal gratitude to all the members of our teaching staff who actually played a bigger role in making what you are today, particularly in the educational life of our students, molding them, forming them, teaching them, and in turn, learning from them. The students couldn't have done it without you, dear teachers. A big thanks to you for your unstinted support and guidance. I would like to extend a word of gratitude to St. Xavier's School Band, whose beat added solemnity to the occasion. Thanks to the principal, Father Leo Babu, and the students of his school band. We cannot forget the organizing team for today's event. I would like to express a word of gratitude to all the HODs and the faculty members of the departments of English, Economics, and Social Work for their meticulous planning, organizing, and executing it. Thank you, dear faculty, for your commitment and dedication to the responsibility. Finally, my dear students, I extend a sincere thanks to all present here. It is said that one of the greatest skills any leader can master is becoming comfortable with silence. Thanks for maintaining the decorum, being part of this event, witnessing and getting inspired by the success of your seniors, which helps in keeping your aspirations on track. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you so much, Reverend Father Jomi. Lastly, dear students, you deserve a big thanks for being such good students, and it had been our pleasure to teach you. So, take the flight now, let your spirit sing. Embrace the journey that each new day brings. Reach for the skies, let your dreams take their cue. For BSSS stands proudly, unwavering and true, right here with you. Thank you.